Many things that we take for granted today would appear completely magical to people only a few years ago. Cars that open their doors and start their engines when we walk up to them may still seem magical. In the very near future, RFID will enable us to keep track of everything in our lives, everything we care about. The technology behind RFID is really simple, like a mirror that is used to communicate by reflecting light from the sun, or a prism that separates frequencies of light, which we see as colors. Both mirror and prism are passive. Using the radio frequency spectrum, we are creating a unique signal which goes out and then is returned from a passive object. This tells us something about the object. In radar, it tells us the range and velocity. In aviation, an active transponder tells us the identity of a plane. In RFID, the tag is a passive transponder, reflecting signals changed in both intensity and frequency to give us its identity. Rain RFID is about taking care of the things in our lives. We place UHF Rain RFID tags on the items we care about. Rain RFID tags now only cost pennies and last a lifetime. Inventory management is costing billions of dollars. The apparel industry purchased 6.8 billion RFID tags in 2016. Right now, handheld Rain RFID readers are the leading means to read tagged items. Fully automated hands-free Rain RFID systems provide instant access to on-floor inventory location. Sufficiently advanced technology is indistinguishable from magic. And like magic, Rain RFID will make your life simple.